welcome back to my channel. I'm Courtney if you're new here. If you are, click subscribe. I'm gonna have a lot of study abroad content coming soon as I'm moving to Italy in 16 days. I'm so excited. And actually, to start this video, it is very early. It's 8:30 in the morning. I haven't gone to bed yet. I worked until 1 last night and just like couldn't sleep, so I'm just staying awake, I guess. I just got the most exciting email that I've literally been waiting for since I like knew that I was going to Italy, and it's my apartment assignment, and I'm so excited. I got it randomly like really early, and I realized it's obviously 2:30 in Italy right now, which is why they sent it. And I'm gonna be living in the neighborhood Trastevere. I definitely butchered that. It's kind of like across the way from like the main part of Rome where like the Trevi Fountain is and stuff, but I kind of like that because I'm gonna get like the local Italian vibe. It's like a working class neighborhood. It's got cute little small markets. It's got open like outside supermarkets, and it's only a 20-minute walk from school, which is perfect. I don't even need to take a bus. And sorry mom, I'm very excited. It has the best nightlife in Italy. That's what that's what my email from my university said. I'm so excited. I got the roommates I wanted, Riley, Ellie, and Maddie. So real. It's coming up so soon. Today's vlog is gonna be me moving out of my apartment, sadly. And I'm going to Columbus this weekend to see my brother and some friends before I go home and like start packing for Italy. So this is gonna be a weekend in Columbus, so let's go. I'm ready for the rain. I'm taking out my trash and getting my car. Let's go. Only a few more times up these steps. My apartment is so empty. There's only a few things that I'm leaving for Ellie, like all my furniture, but like I'm leaving my pillows and I'm leaving Kitty. Alright, I just turned in my Spectrum stuff and said goodbye to some of my friends, and I am heading to Columbus to see my brother for his birthday and to see Nikki, and then we're gonna go out to dinner and then go out, so it should be good. I literally hate driving so much though, so I'm not looking forward to that. We're here in Columbus. We had a, what, 30-minute adventure to find parking that wasn't $30 a day, where my car won't get broken into, but we did. We're here. This is his apartment. It's great. You know, it's really a big step up from where you lived last year.
Honestly.
The place you lived last year was just like literally furniture that looked like you picked it up off the side of the road.
It was.
It literally was. And there was like shit everywhere. Like it was not clean ever.
Okay.
Bathroom was like black.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Yeah.
This place is a real upgrade. All right, your bed's not made, but you know, it's okay. Wow, the essentials only. You have so much food in here. It's like tacos and tequila, and that's about it.
Yeah.
All right, after searching, we found Nikki.
Okay.
Never should that have been this hard.
Hello. Hello. Nikki. It's gonna be 6 months until we get to get drunk together again. In Columbus.
I'm just gonna have to come visit you.
Yeah, just come to Italy and visit me, please.
Other side. Alright. I got you. Do it! Oh my god! Woo! Alright, buddy. Oh, that hurt. Oh! Love it.
You turned red and your eyes got so watery.
This is so we're matching for your vlog. We're matching. Need your hoops. I need hoops.
Is it just
Where are my hoops?
hate it so much.
Like, oh, alright guys, come on.
They got me.
Corona.
This wasn't my choice. There's no music off.
Ready?
Dude, I always elevate my leg.
You gotta like
something. Like
I'm always like this when I'm like out, or like my hand goes up and I'm like, someone came up to me and was like, this is your go-to move, and you're like,
no, my go-to move is literally my foot has to be at an elevated surface at all times.
alright, let's go. Alright, happy Saturday. I put some clips in from last night. We hung out at my brother's, and then we went out to Short North area and met some more of his friends out, and now we're going to Standard Hall for brunch with some people, and Nikki's coming again. I'm super excited, so let's go. I really need some like avocado toast or something, and maybe like a mimosa. So I just want to show you what I'm wearing real quick. So basic, but I'm wearing a men's extra large sweatshirt, some leggings that are from Express, and white Adidas. All right, let's go get some food. Our freaking 10 block walk to move your damn car. Oh my god, it's dirty. My white shoes, it's muddy.
This rain.
We just walked like 10 blocks because her car parking ran out, and you can't extend it. Nope, can't extend it on the app, of course. So we had to walk in the middle of us having a drink to move her car. Yep. Because we don't want to get a $50 ticket. Yep. We're finessing the bar as usual.
Hi, welcome to Dunkin'. What can I get for you?
Hi, can I get a medium caramel iced coffee with cream, please?
Okay, is that all for you?
Yep, that's it.
Okay, that'll be $2.39 at the window. Thank you.
Thank you. Happy Sunday. I just got breakfast with my brother at, I think it's called Hangover Easy, which is my favorite place. We go there every time. They have like the best avocado toast. So anyway, we got breakfast, we caught up. We literally sat there for like 2.5 hours and talked, so that was really nice catching up with him. And my car is packed. It didn't get broken into this weekend. God freaking bless, because I had so much stuff. We parked it in a garage that was so expensive, but I was like, I can't have it on the street getting broken into. Like, I've got all my stuff in my car. So I'm headed all the way back home to Cleveland now, so I've got a nice 2-hour drive. So I'm gonna get driving, but it was a great weekend, and I hope you guys enjoyed my little footage and clips from my weekend in Columbus. It was so nice seeing everyone before I'm leaving for Italy, catching up with Nikki and some old friends from BG that we actually saw. So yeah, it was a great weekend. If you enjoyed, click subscribe down below. I would really appreciate it. You can keep up with my videos, and I'm gonna get driving. I'll talk to you guys soon. See you next time.